Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art with bunnies and eggs and Easter. So today we are going to do some bunnies. We're going to start off with a 10mm tool and white. Now we're going to have to count again, so just be sure to count noisily. And we're going to dot one line and we're going to leave two open. I'm going to do one, leave two open, leave two open, and the last one like that. Okay, just like we did with the footsies, I want you guys just to flatten the peaks for me. So any tool would be fine as long as you can just scratch them all flat. There we go. Next we're going to take the big ball tool, which is the green one in my case, and now we're going to give the bunny some ears. So you're going to dip your tool and just look where your straight line is, right? And then just on the side of it, we're going to put it down and then just drag it in. So put it down, just maybe drag it in like that. Make like a little circle and then you just pull the paint in. Like that. And we're going to do this for all of them. So quickly blow dry this for me. Okay, now that this is dry, I'm going to take the middle ball tool, so middle one of all of them, and I want to do the ears, which I'm going to dip in my pink, my baby pink. Put it there and drag it in. Put it down, drag it in. Just before the head starts, that's where you're going to stop. Now bunnies' noses are usually pink as well, so we're just going to, not exactly in the center, but just a little bit below the center. I want you to just almost pull it out in, it's like a little oval. So slightly below the center. Like that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist my tool around to use the other side. Again, I'm going to dip it and I just want to give it a little bit of a pointy nose at the bottom. So we're almost turning this into a little bit of a triangle. It's a really tiny work. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, like that. Now we're going to do the outline of the eyes. And we're going to do this in black, or your black color, in a 3mm tool. So just below the ears, so between the ear and the nose, is where your black dot is going to go. Like that. So just center it to the nose and the ear. You'll see you've got two options. You've got the pink and you've got the orange one. The one with the pointy tip is the one I'm going to use. I just find that that gives me a little bit of a tinier effect than the ball does. And then in pink, I'm going to drag it like that. I actually want to pull the corners of the mouth up, because I see if I put the corners down, it gives me a sad bunny, and I don't want a sad bunny, I want a happy bunny. Okay, all the bunnies got mouths. Now we need to finish the eyes, so you can just blow dry this for now. Okay, so whatever color eyes you want to give your bunny, you choose that one. I'm going to make all of my bunny's eyes blue. And with that, I'm also going to use the big ball tool again. And you're just going to dot on top. So you still want a black frame around the eyes. We're just going to lightly dot until it fills quite a bit of the space, but you don't completely cover the black. Now we got to blow dry again. Now the bunny eyes have got to get some pupils. So we're going back to the black. And then the all ball size, so all of them have got the same size. Other side, and just put one in there like that. All right. Okay, we need to blow this again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give each eye a reflection. And I'm going to do that using the long tool. Dip that in white. And then it has to go over, it has to touch the pupil like that. And then I'm going to make all of them go in exactly the same direction. So it's almost like, it's not going up, it's not going that way, it's almost like at that angle. Slightly up angle. Okay, and those two are already done. And that finishes off our little bunnies. And here is what they look like. Aren't they cute? Thank you so much for joining me for this episode. I will see you guys again for the next one. Stay magical, stay dotty, keep well. Bye-bye. Every single day